March 24th, 2021. My name is Thomas Wiggin. I like to teach men and women how to not tolerate disrespect. Number one, the simplest word to use is no. To stand up for yourself. No, like saying, no, I won't. If you're gonna be disrespecting me, I don't want a relationship. Yes. Yes, I like to be respected. And number two, make clear that disrespect is not okay. Hey, so if you're disrespecting someone, stop. Please stop. I don't care your status, whether you're a parent. It doesn't matter if you're a family member, a friend, adult in charge. That does not give you the excuse to disrespect someone. Because you want me to tell you this? Your son or your daughter, a family member has feelings like humans do. Because if you mistreat someone, well, you're gonna make someone very angry. Believe me. I've been there before, been disrespected. It's not okay, it's not cool. Well, I took the tour, and I don't like it. It's not cool. Number three, parents, it's your responsibility to teach your kids how to not tolerate disrespect. Teach them explain to them about using the word no and why you use the word no. If you know that they need to learn how to use the word no properly. Teach them to stand up for themselves. Number four, use these words to hold accountability. Like saying this, right now I'm very angry at you because of your disrespect. Number two could be this, I don't care about your status. There is no excuse for you to disrespect me. See? See? He also be like this. I don't want to be around you because you're disrespectful. 4 parents, it's your job to teach it. It's your job to explain why you do not want your son or daughter to tolerate disrespect from others. They need to learn how to not allow disrespect, period. Number 6, fathers, reinforce. It's your job to reinforce teaching to your wife, with your son or daughter's moms or your wives about not tolerating disrespect. Because the Bible it says, because giving out instruction is teaching. In the Bible it says, children, acknowledge your father's instructions and do not forbid your mother's teachings. Well, in my version of how I see it is that instruction is teaching. And so guess what? Fathers, reinforce teaching about teaching your kids not to tolerate disrespect. Because that's going to teach your son or your daughter to be a winner on putting up with disrespect. So now you know my reasons. So please comment, like, rate, share, subscribe, and please read Matthew 7:21. Good night.